Hola mi gente and welcome back to another episode of Sticky Counters. Today I'm going to be making a delicious banana daiquiri with a little ginger hibiscus. Now, I am sure a lot of people have tried some daiquiris that are either blended, so they're frozen, or just shaken. I personally like the shaken ones at the moment, but during the summer, I would go for a blended one, so it's totally fine. Now, we're utilizing some Brugal 1888 rum, which is super delicious in this daiquiri because it has that delicious sweetness. Then we have the ginger hibiscus from Boozy Botanicals, and a banana liqueur from Combier. Now, this is all you need, and a little bit of fresh lime juice. So really easy cocktail, 4 ingredients. So let's get started. We need our trusty cocktail tin. We're gonna do the least expensive ingredient, and at this moment, it is the Boozy Botanical ginger hibiscus. Why? Because the limes went up in price. So we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce right in there. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of your banana liqueur and 1.5 ounces of the Brugal 1888. 1, 2. So we have that all in our tin, and now we need some ice because we need this cocktail to be cold and shaken. So we got the ice in there, one more piece, perfect. Let's grab our top tin, hit it 2 times to lock it in, boom, boom, and now we shake. After we got this cocktail completely cold, we're gonna crack it open, grab our coupe glass, and we're just gonna strain this bad boy right into the coupe glass. And I wish you could smell that banana flavor. This is just outrageous. And it's not completely sweet. This is just a very refreshing daiquiri. And to finish it off, we're gonna grab a nice lime wheel, throw it on top, and there you have it. A fantastic banana daiquiri for everybody to make. I mean, it's just 4 ingredients, really delicious. But the only difference is that I'm utilizing a ginger hibiscus syrup, so it's gonna change the flavor profile a little bit. Now, what other banana daiquiris have you tried? Have you changed up the syrups? Let me know in the comments. And again, if you like this type of content, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave comments, have questions, just drop it down below. And please make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. So thank you so much for supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys later. Cheers.